right now you're under arrest for theft.
For what?
For theft, I just explained.
On August 16th, 2023, officers responded to a habitual shoplifter at Target who had stolen from the store 8 times before. She was caught shoplifting again and greeted by officers upon exiting.
Another item, stop at self-checkout, and they want to need to get you identified so that they can prosecute you for the other incidents, and they wanted to know if you concealed any other items. Would you be willing to open up your purse just so I can see you didn't conceal anything? So there's items with Target tech.
A pair of shoes.
I don't have no shoes.
Shoes about the jewelry.
Jewelry? I've been in here with this. I'm just gonna go to jail, please.
So right now you're under arrest for theft.
For what?
For theft, I just explained.
Stop! No, please talk to me. You know, I'm okay, let me get up. Let me get up.
No, lay down behind your back.
Can I get up, please?
Hey, stop pulling your hair away.
Hey, let me get up.
If you resist,
No,
the more
wait.
things I do
I'm
that's
not
going to
trying
hurt.
to go
Stop.
to jail. Stop.
Stop.
Sit up.
Nope, keep your feet out.
Go.
You should have thought about that before you run. I'm
sorry.
reasonable. I could have cited you and released you.
Please.
You
I
know it's
know,
not necessary.
I know. I'm so sorry. I really do apologize. Like, can you please let me go?
No.
I just got out of jail. Oh my
Okay.
God.
I'm going to put that on my
I
hood.
just got out of jail.
You can go to your
You sure?
All right. So everything is being recorded on my body cam, as well as my partner. Needles, bazookas, guns. Okay, back of my hand.
Please, I'm trying to go to jail.
Yeah, you have tried to establish that. You're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights I've explained to you? Can you say it louder, please?
Yes, I understand.
Having your rights in mind, do you want to talk to me now?
Yes, I don't want to go to jail. Please.
Well, when you put all of those items in the bag, you were knowingly concealing them. And when you walked out the door with those items in your bag, you knew you didn't pay for them, you knew you stole them. Is that about right?
Yes.
Okay. So, why come in here to steal?
Because I don't have the money for it.
Do you have a drug problem you're maybe paying for with these drugs? Or with these stolen items?
Yes.
Okay. What's the going rate now for like underwear and jewelry and stuff? Or was that for your own personal use?
The underwear was my own personal use.
And then what are you getting for jewelry these
The
days?
jewelry, I was going to sell it to somebody for them to buy it for my drug habits.
How many I say, hey, I'm going to let you go since you were cooperative in this and that, but you showed you weren't going to be cooperative when you ran and then you threw a soda at me.
I'm sorry, I apologize.
Now I literally washed my uniform last night. Now I have soda all over me.
I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to go to jail. Please. You guys can trespass me free here. I won't come back here. I'm like,
yeah, well, so you're getting that too. You're trespassing Target for life. Can never
Go through her bag and see what other stuff is in there for
I
receipts.
have a dollar amount for everything else that she concealed.
So far.
Yeah, so far.
Can somebody pull video to show that whole incident plus us taking her
Yep,
down?
yep, I'll be able to have all of that.
Cool.
please, I'm not trying to go to jail.
Okay. Okay, slide your foot in there for me, okay?
Please, I'm not trying
I got to talk to my partner, my sergeant.
All the way over.
The woman was charged with shoplifting, assault, possession of stolen property, resisting arrest, and drug possession. Additionally, she received a permanent trespass from all Target locations. Feel free to share your thoughts below